Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Sips By. This is a monthly tea subscription and these are my May teas. So there's 4 different kinds in here and you do get a product card, which is really awesome with tons of information. I'll show that again at the end. And everyone's box will be a little bit different because they're customized for what you like. So in each box you typically do get a mixture of tea that is loose leaf and then tea in bags. So for whatever's loose leaf, you get a couple of these little fillable tea bags, which I really like. And then here are my teas. So these ones are already in a little bag. Organic mint tea. And those are little pyramid tea bags. So when they come individual like that, you usually get 4. And here's another one that's individual. Roasted herbal tea vanilla nut. And this is caffeine free. And it says acid free, which is interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that on a tea bag. And it's accented by roasted almonds, dates, and figs. Pretty interesting. Here's the loose leaf tea. The darker the berry. Tea Please Tea. And I like the see-through pouches. You can see what that looks like. And then lastly, ooh, matcha. And do we get 3 of those? Yeah, so we got 3 of these. And you just pour those into a bottle and shake it and drink it. I actually really like matcha tea. Yeah. That's my favorite thing to get at Starbucks is like a green tea latte. Tastes good, smells like a pond. Don't ever smell it. It doesn't smell pleasant, but tastes good, I think. So again, here's the card. Tells you the caffeine levels, steeping times, and promo codes typically. So that is what I got for the month of May. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.